Hi everyone, welcome to the microservices tutorial. In this video, we will be discussing about caching. So let's start. So what is caching? So a web cache or HTTP cache is an information technology for temporary storing of web documents such as HTML pages and images to reduce bandwidth usage, server load and perceived lag. A web cache system stores copies of documents passing through it. Subsequent request may be satisfied from the cache if certain conditions are met. So this is the Wikipedia definition of caching. Now, how do we implement caching in microservice? So cache is the capability to store data temporarily to lessen the loading time and input output of a system. And caching helps in improving the performance of the system. So the goal of caching in microservices is it identify what can be cached and how to cache data for faster response. So let's discuss about REST and how REST invokes caching. So key components of REST architecture style that support caching are client server that separate the interface from the server, client stateless, no client context stored on the server between requests, cacheable, clients can cache responses, but server should be clear what could be and what could not. Layered system, a client cannot identify whether this is connecting directly to the server or through an intermediary. Caches, proxies, to be transparent to the layers above them. Code on demand. The server can transmit the code that could be executed in the client and uniform interface URLs, URIs, some of the standard identities. Now, HTTP 1.1 has set of headers that support caching. For example, cache dash control is a very good header, which provides a lot of attributes on caching for both request and responses. Responses include public, private, no cache, no store, no transfer, proxy, revalidate, message that controls the level of caching done. And it also has one attribute expires, which is known as expires. Uh, it mentions when the resource is stale. No cache. In this case, there is no concept of caching. The web server connects with service directly. Every request has to hit the service to get the related information. This will add overhead to service with multiple hits and would develop performance issues also. Now let's discuss about shared cache. So in shared cache, you will observe multiple web servers using a shared cache proxy to access service. This will yield much better performance as some data gets cached in between and all requests will not hit the service. Now next we have distributed cache with multiple cache systems. This reduces loading. Internet Cache Protocol ICP. It ensures consistency among the cache systems. Now local and remote cache. There will be local cache happening within the web server, which reduces the network usage, thereby providing very high performance. So this is all about caching. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.